Not knowing where things are when you need them is inconvenient. Keeping track of assets wastes a lot of valuable time. Your package holds everything for a full evaluation of the FCL Components devices connected by Wirepas Mesh for asset tracking and sensor monitoring. You can easily tag and find your equipment. Simply install the software and put batteries in the devices. Connect the gateway to the local network using Wi-Fi or cable. Tag the asset you want to track through the area. Place the sensor devices in rooms where monitoring temperature, humidity, air pressure, sound levels and luminance could have value. Upload a floor plan of the building to the system. The system gives you real-time information about asset locations and environmental data such as temperature and air quality. Experience the ease and value of the FCL Components IoT connectivity solution.